Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. I've noticed this place as I've been driving for the last, 6 months, a year, and it's got some tiny homes here. Now there's a community not far from here, so I don't know if these are being built to be placed into that community, but they're really nice. Let me just show you a few. I like this big old porch covered. They're not done yet. Very heavy duty trailer because it's I'm not going to go in it, but you can see very nice, very spacious for a couple. No problems at all. Got a bedroom, bathroom, gonna be a big kitchen. A lot of light. I mean, lots of windows. Look at that. They got mini splits on them. Heating and cooling. The window's dirty, so it's gonna be a little foggy, but let me see if you can get that. Really nice. A lot of light coming in. Metal roof. Could have gutters installed after it's put on your property. Collect the water. Nice deck. This one is really nice. It's got a loft. That one's open. Let's go look in that one. Just trying to give you ideas. Housing is so expensive. Now these are expensive. I don't know how much they cost, but they're expensive. But this gives you an idea. Look at the trailer. Nice heavy duty. It's got solar already hooked up to it to cover this. Your MC4. It's like a roofing and a solar panel all in one. It's pretty cool. Really high. Look how tall that is. And I want to show you one thing, is the insulation in here. Look at your roof system. Lots of insulation, foam. You put it somewhere. If you get tired of where you're living, call a trucking company, have them pull it out, go somewhere else. You can really basic on that one, almost like modern looking. And that one's got a little bit of flair to it. And then you can step up into this one, cottagey looking. I don't know how much they cost, but just to give you an idea. Thanks for watching.